Hey, hi, it's Renee from Kudos Kitchen, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today, which I'm very excited about. I've decided that we need to eat more fish in this house, this family. So I ordered from a company called Sizzlefish, which one, I like the name, and two, they really seem to have a nice selection, not just your normal everyday things that you see at other fish places. So let's see what we have. I love the name, Sizzlefish. Okay, it's gonna be hard to get it out of here. There it is. What I'm gonna do is just tip it upside down. There we go. Come on now. Come on now, fishies. Okay, put that aside. Turn her right side up again. Okay, it's very well packaged. And this cooler is going to be good for other uses if we hold on to it. I've seen a lot of people do unboxings in the past, and it's like, come on, get in there. What's taking you so long? Well, guess what? It takes a while to get into some of these boxes. Especially when you really can't see where it meets. Holy cow, okay. And I think what I'm gonna wind up doing is breaking the top. No, I didn't. I did not break the top. But we did get it opened. So it looks like, oh, okay, nice recipe card. This is for baked Chilean sea bass because I ordered Chilean sea bass. Yay. I'm very excited. I didn't see that anywhere else. And this is for the ultimate beer batter fish, halibut. I don't think I bought halibut, but it doesn't matter. I'm sure you can use it, that recipe, for any kind of fish. Lots of dry ice. Be careful with dry ice. More packaging, and let's see, first things here. Chilean sea bass, very nice. They're each individually portioned. I believe these were 6 ounce. Yep, 6 ounce portions. Gosh, they're cold. I ordered Chilean sea bass. I ordered red grouper. That I didn't see anywhere else. So, I mean, these look pretty small. I think they were like 4 ounces. Yeah, very, very tiny. Red grouper. Ooh, gosh, those are cold. And then another thing I didn't see elsewhere, walleye. My husband loves walleye. So I thought, well, that's different. Let's go ahead and get walleye. I think these were the 6 ounce portions. And I got some of these. So, yeah, you know what? It's not cheap. But this is going to last a long time. I figure we're going to get several meals out of, I mean, at least 3 meals out of each kind of fish. So this will last in the freezer a long time. So there we go, Sizzlefish. Pretty cool. I'll let you know what I make with all this fish. So keep checking back and look for my recipes on my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com. Have a good day. Bye.